All right, today we're going to be learning about scientific notation. All right, so now what we need to look at is converting into scientific notation when our coefficient, this number right here in the front, is not between 1 and 10. So as you can see, this is 15.91, and it's not between 1 and 10. It's larger than 10. So what I need to do is I need to move my decimal place. So I'm going to have to move my decimal now to be 1.591. Now I know that my number is between 1 and 10. Now whenever I have a large coefficient, what I need to do is I need to add powers. Okay, so since I'm only moving one place, I'm only going to add one power. So if this was to the 7th power, I'm going to now add 1, so it's going to turn to an 8. So times 10 to the 8th. Again, if I would have moved like 2 places, then I would have had to add 2 powers. So instead of adding a 1, I would have had to add 2. But it's just like that. Okay, so now what we're going to look at is converting it into scientific notation when the coefficient, the number right here, is not between 1 and 10. So as you can see, this number is much smaller than 1. So for me to make it between 1 and 10, I know I'm going to have to move my decimal point here. So it's going to be 5.21. Now, I have to count how many times have I moved my decimal place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've moved it 7 times. And when it's a really small number, I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to subtract the 7 powers. So times 10 to the, well, what's 2 minus 7? That's -5. Now it's in scientific notation, and that's my final answer.